Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to change language on Roblox PC. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So the first step is go ahead and open your Roblox. And once you're inside, all you have to do is click on these three dots right here. And then in these options, just click the settings. And then here, just go ahead and click the account info. And then underneath the gender, you can see the language option here. You can just go ahead and click this, and then it will drop down a menu. You can just choose your language here, and then it will automatically change it to your preferred language. So I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.